Welcome to part 24 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Select. Select. We need to select the yummiest cupcake to eat. Remind. Remind. Please remind me to feed my goldfish before bedtime. Present. Present. He will present his teddy bear collection at show and tell. Adopt. Adopt. They decided to adopt a fluffy puppy from the animal shelter. Refer. Refer. If you're lost, you can refer to the treasure map to find the way. Conclude. Conclude. We will conclude our tea party after we finish all the cookies. Propose. Propose. I propose we have a movie night with popcorn and blankets. Resolve. Resolve. They worked together to resolve the puzzle and won a big prize. Recognize. Recognize. I didn't recognize my friend in their funny costume. Alter. Alter. We had to alter our castle because the sand was too soft. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.